In this tutorial I will show you how to create such 3D text in Illustrator. Create document. Select rectangle to add background. From properties, fill color. Lock this layer. Select type to add text. Hold Alt and Shift key, drag to resize it. I am using font Spring Demo font. Type text. Right-click and select Create Outline. Ungroup text. Select all text, go to Properties, and fill with color. Select G letter. Go to 3D and Materials. If it is not visible, add it from Window. Follow settings. Now select E letter and follow same settings. But we will change isometric view to left. To follow same settings to another letters, select Graphic Styles. You can add it from Window. Select G letter and add to Graphic Style. Similarly, select E letter and add to Graphic Styles. Now add style to another letters accordingly. Select all text, go to Properties and add color. Select letter, go to 3D and Materials. Follow settings. That's it. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel and let me know in comments.